Hey guys, well, welcome to another episode of the Maestro, and this one we're going to call Adventures with the Maestro, because you never know who or what you're going to find up there on the mountain. And it reminded me of one of the greatest classic all-time movies, Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. Normally, they'd rob a train, they'd send the posse after him, and these guys would just drop the posse right away, and they'd laugh all the way home. But this time it was different. There was a posse following them that they couldn't drop. And they turned around and looked and said, who are those guys? In the same way, nobody usually runs up on me. And I was thinking the exact same thing. So here we are, my buddy Cyrus in his M6. We're turning onto ACH from 9 Mile. There's a Gixxer 1000 and he's gonna follow me. So I said, okay, this could get a little bit interesting. If you wouldn't mind, just hit the like and subscribe. Do me a favor if you love this content. Thanks. For the M6 in my mirror, and lo and behold, is that the Gixxer? Doesn't look like a Gixxer. And I look at it, and all of a sudden,
I couldn't do that. Could you do that? How can they do that? Who are those guys? They're not going far. Who are those guys? You're beginning to get on my nerves. Who are those guys?
I just couldn't figure out who this was that was keeping up to me. I was dropping him a little bit in the fast stuff, but in the tighter stuff, he was right there. And I couldn't figure out what it was. What is this thing that's going so hard, so smooth, so fast? As I pull into Newcomb's, as you'll see in a little bit, it goes by. It's an 890 KTM. And so about the same power to weight ratio as my Tuono V2, but a lot lighter and going to be quicker in the corners if ridden well. And clearly, this is being ridden well. And then he comes to find out he came back after he went by me at Newcomb's and stopped in. And it was my old or new nemesis, the same guy, if you saw the 7 Tuonos video, the same guy who I was chasing on that well-ridden Tuono V4. So enjoy the rest of the show, guys. Thanks for watching.